Well, Qatar Airways offers reward seats through Qantas and Velocity. This time I've got them with Velocity, and I'm quite happy to go from Doha to Adelaide in the wonderful Qsuite. And you can see here in Doha Airport, the service starts as you get out of the taxi. And it's wonderful, you don't have to do anything. So come and join me in this trip from Doha to Adelaide. So as you enter Doha Airport, in business or first class, there is a designated area for you to check in. And here it is here. So, well, posh. Anyway, and we're now in the lounge. We've done all that. I didn't show you all that. But there's that wonderful staircase with the pond. I've shown this before, but you may not have seen it. And that water droplets, they look like they're coming from the ceiling, but they're not, they're going up. It's the other way around. But I can't get enough of this. Yeah, anyway. We're moving on up and we're gonna have a shower before we sit down to relax with the beautiful food. And yes, of course, there's shower facilities here, and wonderful they are. And there's the little check-in. Everything always seems like there's no one around, but there is. And it's always wonderful. I love this part of flying. Going to have a shower in a beautifully set up shower. They're always nice. They're always clean before anyone goes in to have the shower. All the clean towels. You can see all the luxurious soaps and what you have there. And the water pressure is great, I'll tell you that, if you're wondering. And a toilet, well, we know what they look like, but they're in there as well. And there's all other things like this, like you can, charge your hairdryer or your phone or whatever. Everything you need, and stuff you don't need, of course. So now we're up in the a la carte restaurant. You can use the buffet or you can order a la carte. So it's great. So here I've shown you the buffet and like how much can you eat? But there's so much there. And then the staff. Just remembering you're probably getting on an aircraft who are going to feed you. But take it all in. Or take it. Yeah, something for everyone here. So that's the buffet you can see that's always replenished. It's always full. So much there. I need Jenny Craig when I get home every holiday. Wonder why. So don't worry if you're a vegetarian or you're a celiac or diabetic. There's something for everyone. Everyone's looked after. And I love cheese. And I don't eat much cheese at home, but when I holiday, I love cheese. And who doesn't like sushi? Oh, well, maybe some don't, but I do. I love it. And it's all cooked fresh here, right before your very eyes. So I had a little bit of that. That's just light. But we did have an a la carte meal as well, but that was light too. I didn't get anything heavy because I'm going to be sitting down for the next, I don't know, 12, 13 hours. And coffee, sweets, you name it, you got it. And the staff are wonderful. We did have a little wait actually that night. So this is a night flight. And there's downstairs again, the lounge is downstairs. And downstairs they also have these stations of water and coffee. You can also get down there. So if you weren't eating and you just wanted a coffee or a refreshment, you can get it right at your fingertips. So you can see all the different types of seating arrangements they have. They have everything you want. So we're going to move on up to our flight now. We've been here a while, and yes, let's go that way. No, that way. No, we'll go that way. So here we have the storage in the Qsuite, and I apologise for the footage. Being night time, I think I didn't change my setting and it wasn't great, but it's not all going to be like this. There's your little table. The amenities kit, quite nice. New bags I see. And the wonderful pillows. You can actually keep these pillows on the Qsuite. They've all got different countries on them. So we're heading off shortly. Cheers. Yeah, on our flight. And there's the tray table. And I'm sure that last time I was on the Qsuite, my seat and area was a lot larger. And I think it's because I'm in the middle. I'm not on the window. Because I was flying with a friend this time, we were in the middle, so we can talk to each other, but I'm usually on the window, and I'll have to check on that. I'm sure they're bigger on the window. And again, I like the TV screen where I can see everything happening, where you're up to when we take off and all that stuff. I love it. I'm such a nerd. And we have the doors that close up. They're open like that when you come in, and when you take off they can close the doors, so you've got your little private room there. There's a better shot of your side table with all the buttons for everything. It's button world. Everything's got a button. And the light, if you want it, your coat rack and your pillow and doona. They will make up your bed if you ask them nicely. And of course, dinner time. It was very late on this flight, so I tried to not eat that much. As I said earlier, we were in the lounge and we had a wonderful dinner there, light, and we had something else on the aircraft, because it's pretty hard on these flights to say no, because the food is good and I always want to try something new. But I just had this like artichoke and salad and a chicken sandwich. And of course, voila, it's breakfast already. And there's some breakfast little delights. And again, yeah, well, I was hungry by that stage. I slept quite a few hours and we landed in Adelaide, no complaints. So thanks for watching that quick review on the Qatar Qsuite. I'm Travel Bug Sue. I hope you enjoyed it and I look forward to you watching the next one.